We are back in profit on our $5,000 challenge, $5,400 at the moment. So we are catching up. Bitcoin's had some great movements, and I want to share with you some of the great key levels that we marked out yesterday and how they've hit them to the T. You can't even make this up. It's actually so exciting and so cool. And before I started any of this video, I want to have some updates for you to enjoy this video a bit more. Now, for the ones that think I speak quick, 0.75. And then another one is, before you watch this video, I know a lot of you guys watch these crypto YouTubers or even me as traders to think, okay, what are they doing? How can I make trades? But the whole point of this video is to help you understand these key levels, help you get better at trading, learn and earn, and prepare for it. Remember, I'm not always right. I'm wrong many a times, and I will own up to being wrong. How many people have showed you their losses, their journey to their losses? The fact is, I went all the way in drawdown publicly for you all to see, and then crawled out of that drawdown at the moment with a trade that I actually told you yesterday that I was going to do. So yesterday I said this trade was going to pull back and then look to buy on that pullback, and I built one here which hit take profit, and I've got another one right now which is exactly the same trade I gave you yesterday. So let's go into this breakdown a little bit further. Right, so first and foremost, guys, Bitcoin is looking beautiful. So we had that 10% push up onto the upside, and we rejected 30k to the T, literally 30k to the price point here at $30,027. Let's go on to this chart because it's a little bit cleaner, and the other one is used for reference for actual trading. So we had a push onto the upside previously where we were holding on this resistance. So the point of these key levels is, when price comes to it, it's either going to reverse, react, or just have some sort of movement. That's the whole point of a key level. That's it, right? Let's just keep it simple. From there, what we want to do is try and plan out a trade. So we can see, right? Okay, cool. We've had a reversal and we've held the support from here. Moving from there, we've now broken this next level, and we could easily push up to test this next key level at 29,200. Yet again, if we break this level, we can test the 30k. That is exactly what has happened right here between these moments, here and here. And right now we are coming into that moment again to potentially test this 30k. So when this video is out, we will see these next key levels, right? How have they reacted? How have they gone from there? Because on the 1 hour time frame, we've rejected again. Question is, are we going to reject again? So currently I do have a trade to come up to the next level. I'm actually ignoring this level now because it's the third time it's coming, and also I do think the momentum could push, hence why I'm in the trade, right? So that's the overall outlook and the current trade that I'm in at the moment. So if you do want to get $30 completely for free, it's credit as well, not a bonus. It's $30 credit, links in the description with Bybit, and you can get up to $40,000 worth of bonuses. So make sure you use the link in the description, and that's only a promotion that is with Coin Bureau and for Bybit for you guys. So moving on from there, if we go back onto this messy chart, but I will explain it to you in more detail. Yesterday we actually talked about these arrows rejecting these levels and potentially retesting for different trade ideas. So what happened was, we had that pullback, and look how that perfectly touched that zone. You can't make that up. That's why it's so crazy. It literally has perfectly touched this support zone, traced all the way back up into this trading area again, and now looking potentially to test that 30k again, which is up here, and even 30,400. So these are the next key targets if it is to look to push higher, and it does, it really does. Is pushed above the moving averages. All the things in favor right now are telling us in the markets and on the charts to retest this higher zones. Now look, like I said, I can be wrong, and if I am wrong, I'm wrong. That's fine. I'll lose a little bit of money, but that's the whole point. I'm never 100% right, I'm never 100% wrong. That's one thing I think we really need to clearly push more towards you guys, because there is no trader out there that has a 100% win rate. Remember that. It's all smokes and screens if someone says that, if they have a 90% or even 80%. Think about it. In life, we're not always right. It's not how it works, right? It's always right, wrong, and we learn from when we're wrong. And when we're right, it pushes us further, makes us a better, and it makes us smarter, right? So moving on from this, if we go on to the lower time frame and onto the 1 hour, what's interesting and what I want to show you is the structure. So the structure is, we had a 10% push all the way up to the upside. This bearish candle is very much what we call a fake out. Now these fake outs are normally used to take stop losses out. It takes people out who are in their long position, and it could potentially potentially just be confusing you or forcing you to potentially be, oh, it's not ready, it's going to sell. And the point of this is it was literally on 30k to the T. You like literally that price at this zone, and that zone was tested in the past here, tested in the past here, tested in the past here, tested multiple times. So we could get that test once more. On top of that as well, we are looking at another pendant breakout pattern from here. And we also did have another breakout pendant pattern on the upper region as well. So if we did go on to a lower time frame, you can see another pendant pattern formation happening right here, and then it broke down to the downside. There's another pendant pattern happening right now, and then there, I wouldn't really say this one is one, but if you do want to draw one, it is from there. So the main breakout was from this pendant here, pushed up all the way up to the upside. So we can start to see that this pendant pattern formation is happening a lot. Now, one final thing is on this pendant formation, this is due to me trading the markets more, identifying them and having experience. Now, I've created one strategy, I've refined it, I've now shown you my losses and wins, and I've refined it once in the past, I'm refining it again, and I'll keep refining and refining and refining. And that is just life. Like, I really want to promote this, because I feel like if you can take something away is, there is not one way to work. There is one way that works for the time being. You get better every single day, and by the 10th step, you will be 10 times better than when you first started. It's as simple as that. All right, so a really great video, great update. Regardless of what happens, I'm happy. I'm in profit for the rest of the week. It doesn't matter if I'm right or wrong. I don't care. It really doesn't matter, because I'm up, and like I said, it's my bank account, it's my money. That's most important. Anything that matters when it comes to trading. So for now, we'd like to see where this trade will go if it works out. This journal has been updated, so for the 10 people who do have access, you can go and check out those trades that I've made in the past. I haven't put all the videos that correlate to it yet, and the trading view sheets yet, but I will do that coming up in the next few days, so it will be updated for you guys to have access. And don't worry, the rest of you guys will have access to this journal very soon. Just make sure you like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in below that if you want the journal, and let me know if you enjoying this format. It's straight to the point. I get these videos out a lot faster, and it's a different type of style as opposed to our normal edits. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Champ out. Peace.